All right, guys, going to be showing you a Crystal Chip 1.0 I got in this thing. I got some 2.0s with 4 megabyte data flash as well. Anyway, here we go. So, things I've added to this. We got the default theme going on right now. Oh, you can see we got a CD loaded now. So, um, first things first, go to System Information. You see where your boot manager is running from. Why is this important? Because you got a firmware manager, upgrade firmware, wherever you want to load it from, hard drive included, network included. Go here. We can choose where we want the firmware to be hard coded to run boot manager from it. I want to do a failover at some point if possible, but I don't know enough about how to not get kicked back or to OSD yet. So there you go. USB and hard drive is experimental right now and maybe for a while. USB was supposed to work back in 2006, but I can't get it working. Um, so anyway, there we go. So boot manager does have to be installed on whatever memory card slot you are telling it to run from. So Crystal Chip 1. Or 2.0 and above, anything with a 1 megabyte data flash or larger can run boot manager from the chip itself, the flash itself on the mod chip. So if you take a 1.2 and you put a 4 megabyte data flash on, well, we can do it. We just need to do a few things, and I need to change the script for you. Let me know. I might make a branch for that specifically for 1.2 people that have upgraded on GitHub. Anyway, the other thing that's fun, we go to configuration, we go to security. Let's set a super secure pin. Oops, I'm tired here. Okay, and then so I don't want my kids changing things. I don't want them installing or removing apps. So you go back, oh, it's all gone. Yes, it's hiding it from you. You go to application browser. If you're used to seeing this, you have install and run. You can install and run from any device to any device. I don't have my device manager, which is the firmware for, or the device drivers for USB, hard drive, network, etc. I can't access the FTP right here that boot manager has built into it. So good. I like that. Nice, simple. It keeps you locked out. But you can still run your stuff. So let's get back out of that security settings. Let's set our pin, and we have it all back. Yay! Cool. Let's go firmware manager. Let me just show you. Not that one. Anyway, that's it. That's all I really want to show you now. So firmware is, your devices. We can upgrade. They're just IRXs you can get from PS2 Dev if you ever can build it once they fix it. So there we go. Yeah, if there's anything else you guys want to see, I'd love to share it. One little tip I want to do for you guys, you do have your auto boot, like configuration, auto load, and I'm setting OPL to auto load after 2 seconds. You can define types of media, which is other, like if it has, say, Genesis games on it, you can say, oh, I want it to run the emulator that has these types of files on it. It's pretty strong. You can also add or remove directories and files. You can input text into files as well. So, and you can redirect files. So like I want wlaunch-elf, all my 4 versions of it, and boot manager, since they use the all same format for my network config, to read the same file from network config. Update 1, they all update, or I should say update from boot manager, they all update. I want OPL to use the hard common partition. Well, I can tell it to write the config file that it needs for that. So that hopefully OPL doesn't write a plus OPL folder that's too small. But you can't create partitions. It's I wish we could, but you can't do that. So another little tip. Let's try this. Application browser run. We're going to run from memory card 2. Going to choose it. These are my options. Shut down the chip, boot normal, and then turn off memory card and USB drivers. So here, select R1X, whatever key combo you want, as long as it's select something X. So select an X cannot be used. Go back. I'm going to go somewhere else. I'm going to go way back out here. I'm going to look at this. And then R1. And where do we go? Come on. We got a W launch elf from Aloe Istra. Anyway, that's it. That's the crystal chip updates in a nutshell. I want to fix USB and hard drive loading. I hope to get 8 megabyte data flash working. It's kind of on and off, so it's not in the main branch yet. And it's not that big of a deal. How many apps are you going to actually install to there? I have W launch elf in there. Again, it can't write to its own config files in there, but it's at least a good emergency app. OPL is nice. It works. It doesn't need the files it writes to data flash. So good. Anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.